Hey friends! Today, we're going to learn how to draw an ambulance and also discover some cool facts about this important vehicle. Stay with me until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What is an ambulance? An ambulance is a special vehicle that helps sick or injured people get to the hospital quickly. Inside, it has medical equipment like oxygen tanks and life-saving devices to help patients on the way. Why do ambulances have sirens and flashing lights? When an ambulance is on an emergency call, it turns on its loud siren so other vehicles can make way. The flashing lights help other drivers see the ambulance from a distance, even at night. Why do ambulances have a red cross? The red cross symbol shows that the ambulance is for medical emergencies. In some countries, ambulances have the Star of Life symbol instead, which represents emergency medical services. The history of ambulances. The first ambulances were used in ancient wars to carry wounded soldiers to hospitals. Over time, ambulances became more advanced with medical tools inside. Today, we even have air ambulances and rescue boats to help people in difficult locations like mountains and seas. Fun facts about ambulances. Some ambulances work like mini hospitals, where doctors treat patients inside. In busy cities, motorcycle ambulances help reach emergencies faster. Scientists are working on robotic and self-driving ambulances for the future. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more fun drawings and learning, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next videos.